in English that goes, trust is a very thin thread. And if this thread breaks down, it has some devastating consequences. Although this thread was broken down in the year 2018, but its repercussions were seen in 2025. And so much so that God forbid इस तरीके का repercussion दोबारा नहीं दिखाई देना चाहिए. Hello and welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. The thread that we are talking about is about the Iranian nuclear deal and Iran developing its nuclear weapon. Very recently, the chairman of International Atomic Energy Agency has made a statement that Iran has just been pushed away by few months. It is just a matter of few months that Iran will get ready with its nuclear program. That is the statement of the UN nuclear body chief, that's IAEA. ये International Atomic Energy Agency है क्या? This is the body which undergoes inspection. ये हर एक country में जाकर के inspection करती है just to check that are you developing a nuclear weapon. अगर कोई country nuclear weapon develop कर रही होती है, then there are higher chances that there can be sanctions against that country. ठीक है? तो that was the statement by UN chief, that is UN nuclear body chief. But ये statement अब क्यों important हो जाता है? Because Iran has always been developing a nuclear weapon. The statement becomes important because US made a claim that the American strikes on the 3 nuclear sites, that was Fordo, Natanz and Isfahan, was a completely obliterating impact. Obliterating impact मतलब it was going to completely finish it off, completely cover it, ये वापस कभी नहीं उठ पाएगा. That was the claim made by USA against Iran, that its nuclear attack, that its attack on the nuclear site has been so much devastating that Iran will never be able to develop its own nuclear weapon. The 3 important nuclear sites, जिसमें Fordo आता है. Fordo was one of the oldest nuclear site of Iran, and Natanz was one of the research base with respect to nuclear weapons as well as nuclear energy. ये आप ऐसा समझ सकते हो कि ईरान का पूरा न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम, वेदर इट इज डेवलपिंग एनर्जी या वेपन, वाज बेस्ड ऑन दीज 3 एरियाज, और ये 3 एरियाज में अमेरिका का अटैक हुआ. बट यूएस वाज क्लेमिंग कि these 3 attacks has pushed away Iran. Iran will never be able to create its own nuclear weapon. Just few days after this report, there was a secret report from Pentagon, although we don't have the complete report. But some of the citations of the report says that it is not that the Iran has been devoid of its nuclear weapons such that it will never be able to create its nuclear weapons. Rather, it is just that we have pushed away Iran from developing a nuclear weapon by few more months or maybe few more years. जो अटैक अमेरिका ने Iranian nuclear sites पे किए, this is not going to ensure that Iran will not be able to develop a nuclear weapon. Rather, जो भी न्यूक्लियर वेपन ईरान डेवलप करेगा वो सिर्फ ये पूरे सिचुएशन को हम लोग कुछ महीनों के लिए टाल दिए हैं. ठीक है? That is what has been the claim of IAEA chief as well. And because of investigations of the chief of IAEA, Iran on the other hand has decided to back out from this organization. Very recently there was a Twitter post from the Iranian foreign minister that Iran will no more be coordinating with IAEA. As we understood, इस agency का काम है to carry out inspections. IAEA carries out inspections just to ensure कि आप जो भी nuclear enrichment कर रहे हो, are you developing a weapon or are you developing energy out of that? इस बात का inspection IAEA करती है, जो अब तक ईरान में भी कर रही थी, but because of the recent interactions, because IAEA did not condemn American strikes on the Iranian nuclear sites, because IAEA did not take any action against Israel or USA in their involvement with Iranian nuclear program, so Iran has also decided that they will no more be coordinating with IAEA. And that was the break of the trust, break of this thread of trust. ये जो thread of trust है, ये start हुई थी 2015 में इसके डिस्कशन स्टार्ट हुए थे, और फाइनली इन 2015 द डील वाज आल्सो साइंड. What was this deal about? If we talk about the background of this deal was known as the Iranian nuclear deal, or also known as the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. ये डील क्यों हुई? क्योंकि ईरान वाज डेवलपिंग न्यूक्लियर यूरेनियम का एनरिचमेंट कर रहा था, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट वाज फेसिंग वेस्टर्न सैंक्शंस. So the deal was all about that Iran will not be carrying out enrichment. Iran on one hand will not be carrying out enrichment, and on the other hand उसमें कुछ और भी clause थे, but there will be no more Western sanctions put upon Iran. जो वेस्टर्न सैंक्शंस ईरान पे लगे हुए थे, जिसकी वजह से ईरान वाज नॉट एबल टू सेल ऑफ इट्स ऑयल टू वेरियस कंट्रीज इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया. तो ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स जो इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज ईरान वाज फेसिंग, उस प्रॉब्लम को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए ईरान अलोंग विथ P5 नेशंस, P5 नेशन दैट इंक्लूड्स रशिया, चाइना, यूएस, यूके एंड फ्रांस, ये 5 कंट्रीज के अलावा जर्मनी आल्सो, दैट इज P5+1, टुगेदर डिसाइडेड दैट दे विल साइन अ इरानियन न्यूक्लियर पीस डील. ठीक है, इस पीस डील और आल्सो नोन एज द जॉइंट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव प्लान ऑफ एक्शन, इस डील का क्या एजेंडा था? दैट ईरान विल नॉट कैरी आउट एनरिचमेंट एट फोर्डो टिल 2031 तक एनरिचमेंट नहीं करेगा ईरान. सेकेंडली, जो उसके न्यूक्लियर साइट्स हैं, ईरान के जो न्यूक्लियर साइट्स हैं, दैट विल बी ओपन फॉर इंस्पेक्शंस. इसके अलावा जो भी एनरिचमेंट करना होगा, इट शुड नॉट क्रॉस 3.67%, बिकॉज 3.67% तक अगर आप यूरेनियम का एनरिचमेंट कर रहे हो, then you are developing nuclear energy out of that. Anything beyond this, close to 50%, 60% अगर आप enrichment करने लगते हो, then you are developing a nuclear weapon out of this. ठीक है? Now, one more thing that was part of this clause of this Iranian nuclear deal, कि जो भी उसे R&D करना होगा, research and development, that will be fixed at Natanz. That's why I said कि Natanz was one of the research base for the Iranian nuclear sites. And lastly, there will be an additional protocol to IAEA, जिसमें ये बोला गया था कि IAEA people can inspect any other site which they are suspicious about. कोई भी और साइट पे IAEA इंस्पेक्शन कर सकती है अगर उन्हें शक होता है that Iran is developing a nuclear weapon. So till here everything was very very peaceful. 2015 में ये जो डील साइन हुआ, जिसमें ईरान को ये सारी चीजें करनी थी, and West had removed the sanctions. As per the deal, West had removed the sanctions. उसे 2018 में अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने फिर से तोड़ दिया. That was the time US decided to back out of the Iranian nuclear deal, and that from that time onwards there were repercussions in the sense कि ईरान इसके बाद न्यूक्लियर एनरिचमेंट करने लगा. They went up to almost 400 kgs of uranium purity, up to 60% एनरिचमेंट तक पहुंच जाना, मतलब they were developing a nuclear weapon. तो ये जो सिलसिला स्टार्ट हुआ कि 2013 से पहले ईरान के ऊपर काफी सारे सैंक्शंस थे, 2013 से बातें करते करते 2015 में देयर वाज अ पीस डील व्हिच वाज साइंड. बट इस पीस डील से 2018 में यूएस बैकआउट कर गया. नॉट ओनली दिस, दे हैड एट दैट टाइम आल्सो डिक्लेयर्ड दैट इजराइल इज अ फ्री कंट्री, ज्यूइश कंट्री विद इट्स कैपिटल एज जेरूसलम. दैट स्पार्क्ड कंट्रोवर्सी कि यूएस इज no more planning to continue with the Iranian nuclear deal, and later on US also decided that they will back out of this deal. और क्योंकि यूएस इस डील से बैकआउट कर गया, इसलिए ईरान भी अपने न्यूक्लियर एनरिचमेंट की तरफ आगे भी बढ़ गया. ठीक है, सो दैट इज हाउ द डील, द ट्रस्ट वाज ब्रोकन बिटवीन दीज टू कंट्रीज. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द कंसीक्वेंस ऑफ दिस ब्रेक ऑफ ट्रस्ट, ये जो पतला सा धागा है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ट्रस्ट, भरोसे का, वो जो टूट गया, इसकी वजह से क्या कंसीक्वेंसेस? इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द ग्लोबल इंप्लीकेशंस, देन देयर आर चांसेस कि अब IAEA के लिए ये बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा टू कैरी आउट इंस्पेक्शंस, बिकॉज ईरान इज नो मोर अग्रीइंग टू द इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ IAEA. सो ये अब और ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा और ज्यादा ओपेक हो जाएगा द ईरानियन न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम, व्हाटएवर इट इज डेवलपिंग. ये सारे कुछ ट्रांसपेरेंसी से काफी दूर चले जाएंगे. Secondly, there will also be lack of trust between Iran as well as G7 nations, जो कि P5+1 के अलावा भी और कंट्रीज हैं. ये सारे कंट्रीज के बीच में और ईरान के बीच में there will be lack of trust. Additionally, if we talk about Iranian implications, तो Iranian nuclear weapon का जो development है, this is just delayed. That is what is being stated by Iran also, कि whatever has been the attack on our nuclear sites, this has just delayed our nuclear weapon development. It was just a matter of 2 weeks before the strikes that Iran could have developed its own nuclear weapon. अब maybe few more months के लिए ये बात delay हो जाएगी, but Iran will come back and come back in a very very stringent form. That is another implication that ये और ज्यादा zeal के साथ वापस ईरान आएगा और अपने weapon को develop करेगा. At least that is what is projected in near future. With that, we come to the end of this topic. If you have any doubt, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much and all the very best.